shopping. So in this bag is items worth of £108, and this one is 28. So I'm gonna show you in a minute what did I get. So I'll start from the bag worth of £28. And for this one, I actually went to charity shop, and I don't know why so many people are against charity shops, because if you go, obviously you need to dedicate some time to browse around and then look for the stuff, but you can actually find nice stuff for quite cheap, and you don't have to spend so money. And whoever knows me, I'm basic. I don't like nothing special stuff, so I can find pretty good deals. So first of my item, I found like a bomba. It's from Oasis, size 10, and I don't know why it's inside out, because it should be, maybe it's two-sided. It's probably two-sided. Two-sided bomba, and it was, I don't even remember. Anyway, let's do maths at the end, but I'm sure it wasn't expensive, because in total, like I said, I bought like 5 items and I paid £28, so it's a good one. Then I got like a basic top. Sometimes in hot days I don't have things to wear, like simple things. So this one was from Oliver Bonus, I don't know, and I paid £6. That's okay for hot day. Okay, and I got these ones. Normally I'm not this kind of stuff, I don't really like it, but I like the sleeves. It has like these cuts in between, so I'm not really sure how I'm gonna match this with my old outfit, maybe with the black trousers and like, okay, so I cannot believe the bag like this can be worth £108, but let's see what's inside. Matches, because I like candles, and normally I buy big candles, and I bought candles as well. I love candles, and I go to TK Maxx specifically for the candles, because you can find them pretty good deals. And whoever knows me, I just like, I don't know where's my obsession with candles come from, but it's just every time I go to TK Maxx, I have to buy candles. I have multiple, I have so many different candles in my house, and I just love them. What can I do? And obviously I need the matches, because when it burns more, you cannot just put the fire up. It's this one, what is it called? You know, I'm not smoking, so I don't think about these things. Then I got this cute bag. I really liked it, and it was only $27.99. But I wanted this like a basic black bag, because I had one, but it's time to retire. So I got this one. It has a strip, and inside is just like that. So it has a small pocket, one small pocket with a zip, and then bigger pocket with a zip, and then another pocket without zip, and another one over here. But I really like this detail, so I'm thinking to maybe look for different colors, different color of ribbons, so I can just match it with my outfits or whatever. So yeah, so I just love it. I really like it. I don't know. Yeah, so this was $27.99. Then I got PJs. I like my PJs. When I'm home and I know that I don't have to go anywhere, I wear PJs. Okay, I like to be comfortable. So this is the basic one. It's DKNY company. And it's $29.99. I don't know, because I realized the clothes prices really went up badly, because last year same time, well, not same, similar time, I was looking for pajamas and it was under £20, and look, it's 30. Then my son wanted jumper. So obviously Puma. But it's nice blue color. And it's just so cozy. So because the autumn is coming, I thought it's a nice time to start preparing for warmer clothes. And obviously bag. This one cost me £4. But I don't like all those basic TK Maxx red bags, and so I just bought this one. So that's it. So how do I do shoppings? And I'm not the person that's obsessed with the clothing, because at the end of the day, it's not the point to buy clothes every season and then the season's over and then you give clothes to charity or you give someone else and then you go buy new ones. So I don't believe in this. I like recycle, and so when I buy something, I make sure the clothes or item is practical and I can wear that for the sometime in the future, so I don't have to go and buy new ones. Like I have quite a few pairs of jeans, quite a few pairs of trousers, and quite a few pairs of jumpers, t-shirts, whatever, you name it. But I realized that I became a bit wiser when it comes to clothing, buy clothes, because before you just see the item, you like it, I buy it, and then it stays in my wardrobe, and when it comes time to wear it, I don't even know what to match with. And I continued this mistake for quite some time until I realized that there's no point to do these things, because at the end I waste my money, and after that, in the future, that clothes gonna go to someone else or somewhere else to be resell or recycled, whatever. So now, if I find a blouse that I like, I have to think if I have something that I can match with, or I have to look for something to buy together to be able to wear it in the future, because otherwise I know results. I know what's gonna happen. So this is my clothing habits now became, and I'm so happy because I save so much time, I save money, and it's just a win-win situation for everyone. I had very bad habit before, so when I go shopping, I just grab the stuffs, even if it's on sale, not on sale, no matter if I like it, I buy it without even thinking, what am I gonna wear it with? So then I pile up the clothes in my wardrobe and it's not in use. Some stuff is even with the labels, it just stays there and collects the dust. And then when I try to rearrange my wardrobe, all that stuff goes obviously to charity shops. So the money that I've spent, I haven't even used, and that's not really practical. So recently I decided I only go to the stores if I want something, or if I want to relax, like today. I just went because I wanted to get out of the house. So when I buy something, if I see something I like, I start to think if I have something that item would go with in my wardrobe. And if I don't, I try to find something. If I don't find anything that will match that outfit, I don't buy it, because I know myself. I really quickly get bored with the stuff. So if I buy clothes and I'm not gonna wear it, it's gonna go to charity. So my money goes in the bin. Let's be smart. Let's be practical, and let's don't spend our money, because we're working hard to earn. So don't spend money, don't be slave of the clothing, and buy what you need. So I'll try to share more tips and tricks in the future, and I hope you like this video. So that will be it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I'll see you in the future on my channel. So like, subscribe, and bye.